Hi, in this quick video demonstration, we'll show how to use the data warehouse within InfoCapture. You can upload flat files like CSV files and Excel files directly into InfoCapture's data warehouse. And so let's start with this sample file. This is an HR data sample file, and here I have the screen where I can it's an interface where I can paste my data and upload it. So the way I launch it is either I can go it from this designer, I can go to actions and select upload flat files, and or I can go from my launchpad. I can just say upload Excel to table. So in this case, let's go back to the file. So the format of the file, it has to be in a certain format. The first row, it is expected to be the column names, and immediately following the first column names is the data. And if you have any blank rows in the first column, then you will have to adjust the data type for the column, and we'll show how to do that. So in this case, I'll try to select the whole file and I'll copy it. I go back to my interface and I paste it here, and now I can give a table name. I can say HR101, so that will be my table name, and the upload method is that I'm creating a new table. So if the table is existing, it will override the data, and later we'll see how we can append data to the existing table. So once I have the data pasted here, it's the entire Excel data here. I click and show review. Now once I'm in the preview mode, I can see what the names, the column names, and the data types it assigns to it. It tries to understand the data in the columns. And you see the termination date is blank, so it just treats it as a character, but we can just say date, or we can leave it as character because it's entirely blank. And over here the commission is treated as character, we can change it to num. This happens because the first row is blank, and it always just scans the first row to understand the data type, and rest of all looks okay. So once you're fine with this, you click start and upload. So once the data is loaded, you can go back to your dashboard designer, and if you want to see how it is loaded up, you grab the grid, right click, data source, and all your flat files that are uploaded, they go into common personal space that only your account can access it. And right here I can just click on show tables. So these are all the tables that have been in my space, and this is what we uploaded right now. I'll click select, I'll say okay. So this is a simple select statement into the table, and there we have it. So this is the entire data right here. Now let's say if you wanted to append data, let's say if you're getting monthly loads or daily data, then what you could do is you can selectively copy certain rows and go back to this, and now I can simply say append data, and then it will prompt you to select the table from the existing list. And once you say I want to upload into this table, and then I can paste it. Now as you saw that we selected all the rows from including the column names. So we go back and we say skip the first row and say show and preview. So now you cannot change the data type because it's an existing table. So once you're fine with it, say start upload data. Data is loaded back, and now now the data is already appended. So when you upload the data, you make sure that you don't have any duplicate data or something like that. And now once you have all the files, then it's very easy to query via SQL statements. So that's a short introduction. Thank you.